Welcome to a video. We're going to go do some Mexican fishing and we're gonna do a catch and cook. So if we're unsuccessful on the catch and cook today, I did catch a yellowtail yesterday and we're gonna do that one. But today should be a good fishing day. It's beautiful, a beautiful warm 15 degrees Celsius this morning. Beautiful Sea of Cortez. And we got our True Kit boat ready to go. We're gonna drop this in the water and let's catch some fish. I found the most comfortable way to sit in these boats is literally put up a chair like this. Another thing to note, we are fishing with Temu gear. So we're running the Temu Deep Diver. I did change the split rings because they suck. And we are running 88-pound Temu braid, which honestly has held up amazing lately, or so far. I have yet to have a problem with it. So not affiliate, I just wanted to try it because it was $12 versus like $40 for this, for similar length. Okay, we are at the water. I believe high tide is in like 20 minutes or something. Like this. So yeah, in like 45 minutes, high tide. But I see birds, and that's a good thing. Make sure there's no stingrays, because that would put a terrible start to this video. Yeah, the floor's a little deflated because it's cold. Put the wheels up. Motor down. As soon as I get out a little bit, I'm gonna drop the plug down. I'm gonna reorganize some of this a little bit. Oh wow, this might be a good day for fishing. I'm gonna put this over here. So we're dropping our good old Temu dive lure. Tighten that drag up. I think it's barracuda, but could be wrong. Let's keep trolling here. Where we're going. Okay. We are by the birds, releasing line. There is clearly surface action going on. That's sea lion? Nope. That is a fish. Instantly. Grouper, baby. Well, we got some lunch. These are tasty. Let's try that again. See what we're gonna get this time. What do you guys think? Nothing, nothing, nothing. Come on. Oh. Something chased it. Fish, fish, big fish, big fish. Oh, we got one, we got one. Let go. Okay, we got a reel faster. Come on, baby. Lots of fish around. These are grouper, I'm pretty sure. Moving around quick. Oh. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Something right here. Oh, tap, tap. Change this to maybe a smaller one. Happier fish? I don't know. See if we can get a hit here. Switched out the jig to a blue. Let's see. Oh, something took. Probably a barra. Nope. Little small. Another small grouper here. It's funny because the Mexicans call this cabrilla. Go live another day, buddy. Get bigger. These birds have calmed down now. So just have to wait. Getting bites. Oh, fish on. Nope. Come on. Oh, fish on. What is it? It's another small grouper. So they are active over here like crazy. Fish on. Small guy. Again. But hey, having fun. Not tiny, but don't want to eat this size. It's more cleaning than eating. But if there's small guys around, that means there's big guys around. We got something. Barracuda's going mental. Yeah, buddy. I don't like you as much as you don't like me. So don't worry. Don't worry, we're not gonna be friends. Bye-bye. Very active barra. Not typically that wild, but he was. Or do we get a bird? I have caught them. I don't think we got anything. Guys, I'm getting pretty tired here. I'm gonna start making my way back. It's about, I don't know, 5 miles or something like that. So yeah, at least we have one, which is a grouper. Caught a couple small grouper, some obviously we caught some barracuda, those stupid, I hate those fish. But anyways, well, we threw some ice in there, little grouper, and that's our catch today. Since I love fishing, time has taught us that preserving your catch is very important. We found this company called Gasbye, and they have a super awesome chamber vacuum sealer. And we quickly realized that freezer bags oxidize the fish extremely quickly. Ocean fish, especially the pelagic fish here in the Sea of Cortez, they go bad fast. For us to be able to enjoy some of this yellowtail back home in Canada, this is the only way. Thanks to Gasbye, and we're absolutely pumped on it. You may wonder, well, why does this matter to me? Well, we didn't know what you can do with this, number one, and we didn't know how much better your food preserves. A few features about this unit: it has a marinade function. For example, if you are making, I don't know, some sort of steak or whatever you're doing, you can marinate and vacuum seal it, and within 2 hours, that steak or whatever you have is ready to go instead of 24 hours. Absolutely phenomenal. I'm super pumped on this. I made jerky. This is gonna preserve for who knows how long, 2-3 years. So make sure you check out Gasbye. If you are looking for a sweet vacuum seal, look at the quality of this thing. 1/4-inch lid, dual heating elements, so it double seals, which is important. This is absolutely phenomenal. If you're a hunter, fisher, or just generally love to overstock the fridge or freezer from Costco or Sam's Club, wherever you like to shop, check out Gasbye. We'll get back to the video. So I've had the fish on ice for a couple hours, and now I'm gonna fillet it. This guy is not huge, but it'll be a good treat. And yeah, guys, I'm not an expert at filleting every fish. I'm sure there's people saying, oh, you should have filleted them like this or like that. So we're probably gonna make some fish tacos tonight with this bad boy. Be careful, buddy. Yeah. There we go. Get all the meat off here. He always likes to help.
My puppy.
It's the other puppy, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Not a heavy yellowtail day today. It's not a big fish. So we're just doing a quick good old cavilla fillet. A couple of bones right here. Okay, we'll throw these on in the fridge for now, and then have some fillets. We're gonna deep fry it on our little Coleman here that I've owned for a decade. Screw this in. There we go. I don't know what's wrong with the stove. Let's see, this isn't working out, so we're gonna put it on the barbecue side. Just gonna wait till it's hot. This is what yellowtail, or not yellowtail, sorry. This is what grouper breaded looks like. You know, at least one thing in Mexico, propane is cheap. Well, we have a grill fire now. It's kind of not good. Guess we'll just send it. There we go. A little early on that one. Oh yeah. Hola, perro.
You can heat up these things on the grill as you can move the cast iron.
Quick. There we go. And it'll be delicious. So we got a little prep of pico that my wife just made real quick. And a little sauce. And we're gonna try this. So just dress it up a little bit here. Pico. some grouper, a little pescado. Maybe put some more sauce on. I like my sauce. Let's do a little taste test. Look at that. Even though we didn't get a ton of action today, just a bunch of barracudas, this grouper is delicious. So we're gonna do another one here. You take your grouper. With a view like this, on a taco like this, this is as fresh as it gets. Yep. So if you guys like this kind of video, you guys want to see me fishing some more, and hopefully catch some bigger pelagic species, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and that will maybe get me out of this tiny boat, and maybe have somebody reach out and take me on their big boat, and we'll be able to do some crazy fishing. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.